supposed to be young, half cut and completely severed. I left my days outside for the birds. Everyone is searching beyond meaning, but not listening beyond words. We were supposed to be young. Now the old roads are paved with graves. The birds flew off with my days. Everyone is building without purpose, and I'm here smoking on a fat lip with a cold toe, counting strays. We were supposed to be young, fresh-faced and completely rotten. I left my days outside for the birds. We were supposed to be bold, but not bold beyond words. We were supposed to be free, but not free beyond words. We were supposed to be young, then leave our days outside for the birds. Chalk it up to hopeful youth and never dream beyond words. Look, love, look how far we've come. Wash me down with the things we've done. I know I'll never be clean. For once I'll take my moon blue. Paint us with the things we'll do, and take us through what we've never seen.
The moon is a thumbprint on a dirty window. The disciples line up outside the bingo, under a neon sign that says hope, that flashes pink and indigo. Character collector, cheerio. You're not quite a motherfucker, but you're a mother love maker. And we're not impressed by your boat shoes or your high-vis windbreaker. You can shave your own throat, I'm saving my skin. I don't know what costume drama you think you're starring in. I can see right through your cocktail shaker. Move along and don't tell your friends, I'm living to my means by no ends. No story here, closed eyes and no fear. Swan-diving into the void for a 10 bag and a half-inch breadbaker. We planned a holiday years ago. I don't think we'll last another summer indoors. We've been through a lot, you know, but we haven't seen anything together. We don't want to be here forever. We hope to leave before we're old. The days are getting shorter and the nights are always cold. And the wind whistles bad news through the flapping of the flagpoles. Every day's a balancing act. Tired of living on the branch, trying to find truth and defy fact. Like we're only born to pay bills and dig holes. But that's the way it is, I'm told. I hope to leave before we're old. The days are getting short and I can't be alone, let alone be bold. All the eyes are on me and their voices scatter like roaches. They wear their ignorance as brooches with long and heartless